Hello everyone! A dashboard camera in a following vehicle captured the dramatic moment. A landslide struck and a massive boulder, several times larger than the car, crashed down just meters away. Premium dyno technology set a world record at BMA's Caval Ridge mine in Queensland's Bowen Basin. Tourists' crazy act on Indonesia's Mount Dukono volcano sparks fury, just months after other foolhardy sightseers were lucky to escape with their lives. High above the plains of Colorado, nature puts on a breathtaking show. A powerful hail core looms north of Springfield, unleashing its force before fading into a mesmerizing sunset. Terrifying scene where steel and concrete once stood, now torn apart by unstoppable forces. Today, we uncover the shocking story behind this broken bridge.
Oh my God, I can't believe I actually got it.
Все, фронты. Дай ход, давай, дай ход.
A powerful hailstorm, with ice crashing down like bullets from above, shattering windows and pounding the ground. This is the terrifying moment. Nature unleashed its fury. Horrifying footage shows a powerful storm off the coast of Croatia that left a cruise ship rocking like a paper boat. The landslide Wednesday was filmed by local resident Jan Egil Bakadal, who said he ran for his life when he realized what was happening. The video shows a natural phenomenon known as the meeting of two oceans that do not mix, as seen in the waters of the Strait of Gibraltar or around the meeting point of the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. GBRA video from dam at Lake Dunlap shows spillway failure.
now I've got ice cubes. I'm good, back. लाइट टूट गया देखिए कितना भयंकर बाप रे बाप
This amazing video is how a mountain landslide occurred near US Road 32. The sheer cliff faces of the pictured rocks in the Upper Peninsula are constantly changing, but it's still rare to catch an event like this on camera. Footage captured the moment a mobile home was swept away by floodwater on Tuesday as a powerful storm brought destruction to Norway.